How to order Temu in Saudi Arabia cash on delivery. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can switch to the Saudi Arabia version of Temu. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check that link out. Along with the link you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply, so make sure you check it out. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm over here and I've already signed up. You can sign up by clicking the link in the description below, or you can just simply sign up by just using your Google account or your number. It's actually pretty simple, and I already have one. I'm already logged in. Then you're going to come over here on the languages section, and then here you're going to come down and click on change country/regions. You're going to click on it, and over here you can see you have your country and region option. Just simply click on it, and then here in the search bar type in the country that you want. So we got a bunch of different options. Since we are going to Saudi Arabia, we're going to go ahead and search for Saudi Arabia, and then click on switch to Saudi Arabia. There you go. Now we're in the Saudi version of Temu. So we're going to click on the Temu logo and go back to the home page. We can see our currency has also changed to SAR. So now we can go ahead and select one of the products that we want, and we should be good to go. So you can see all the products are now in the Saudi Arabian version. So these are all products that are only available in Saudi. That's why they are available now to us. So now we can just simply go ahead and select what we want. So this is the one that I want. So let's go ahead and go with this one. Then we just simply click on add to cart. Once it's added, it'll come over here. Then we can just simply click on the checkout button over here, and I'm going to continue again. And once it's added to checkout, we should be good to go. Then you can just simply go ahead and fill out the address. Already done this a couple of times, but every single time I have to change my address. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and place my map right here, because why not put it right here. I don't know what that is, but we'll confirm the address. There we go. We'll just type in and just random digits over here. There we go. Once that's done, we should be good to go. Building number 1. Then we click on continue to payment, and then here we just simply apply our coupon codes that we can find in the description below, and then we can just go ahead and pay. And if you want to pay with cash, just simply click on cash on delivery over here, and then this is the fee right here, and then you can go ahead and click on pay now, and you're good to go. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.